Welcome class 12th in my channel again, and today I am going to discuss with you the summary of the chapter On the Face of It by Susan Hill in English. And before I start with it, let me once again remind you to subscribe my channel if you have not yet done, and do share the video so that it reaches to the maximum students, and also press the notification icon and do pass your comments in the comment section. So let us start. First of all, let me introduce you with the chapter. This story is about a teenage boy, Derry, who has a burnt face, and Mr. Lamb, who is a disabled old man with an artificial tin leg. Derry accidentally enters his garden because he wanted to hide himself from the people who hate him, and also he thinks that there is no one in the garden. Mr. Lamb, who was present there, not only welcomes him in the garden but also encourages him to lead a normal life, leaving behind his past. So these are the three characters there: Derry, who is a small boy; Mr. Lamb, who is an elder; and mother of Derry. Now the story begins with a teenage boy entering a garden. His face is burnt on one side due to an accident when some acid fell on his face. Now he enters the garden because he thinks that there is no one, as the garden was empty, and he wants to hide himself from the people because he always feels scared that people would tease him for having such a burnt face. But when he enters there, he finds someone, and this someone is Mr. Lamb, who is already present there. He tries to leave the place immediately, but he is stopped by the old man, Mr. Lamb, the owner of the garden. Derry feels guilty for entering the garden without permission. Mr. Lamb welcomes him, tells him not to leave just because of his presence. Derry wants to leave as he thinks people don't like his face, as he has developed an inferiority complex, a feeling of scare, and moreover, they get afraid of his looks. They refuse to hear people. But Mr. Lamb insists him to stay there, not to go from there. They enter into a conversation how Derry is not liked by anyone and how he hates people behaving like this with him. Now Mr. Lamb tries to console him, convince him about his existence, and he tells him that he has also a tin leg and kids make fun of him. Still he is not depressed and enjoys his life. So you can see the pics of these two people, Mr. Lamb, who has a tin leg, and Derry, who is a young boy, teenager, and see both of them are conversing with each other. They both talk about various things, and this leads to the revelation of Derry's fear, depression, and hatred about his being in such a condition. And actually the cause of his fear and depression and hatred is the attitude of the people. The moment they see him, they start moving away from him. They start passing their sympathizing comments. But Mr. Lamb keeps on telling him to think of the positive things. And soon they become friends, and Mr. Lamb asks him to help him in plucking the crab apples of his garden. Derry tells him that he had come too far from his home and hadn't told anything about this to his mother. Mr. Lamb tells him to take the permission from his mother. Derry finds it difficult, and this leads to a small quarrel between both of them. At last, Derry tells him that he would come back after taking his mother's permission. His mother doesn't want him to go back, but he comes back again to fulfill his promise, and moreover, when he had gone himself outside in the world, had seen the beauty, natural beauty of the outside world, he was attracted and he wanted to explore more natural scenic beauty, and that's why he starts running away from his mother. Meanwhile, Mr. Lamb climbed the ladder on his own to pluck the crab apples, as he was sure that Derry would not return. Usually people don't return whenever they go away from there. He was disabled and it was difficult for him to climb. Mr. Lamb, as a result, falls from the ladder and dies. The moment Derry reaches there to help him, he finds him dead because he sees Mr. Lamb lying on the ground. Derry tries hard to make him move but did not get any response from him, and finally he comes to know that he is dead and starts crying. So this is how you come to know that two people are the victims of the tragedies in their life. Both are suffering, but both have had a different attitude towards life and both reacted differently, but Mr. Lamb was able to change the attitude of Derry into a positive one. And this is how you will see that the two characters are able to develop a fine bond of friendship with each other, and Mr. Lamb at the cost of his life was able to convert Derry into a positive person. So this is all in today's video. We'll meet again. Till then, bye bye.